You know what is it? Yes, you're right. This is a DJI Grass remote controller. I've been with DJI Agriculture for about 7.5 years for now. I get asked all the time about DJI products and the risks. So let's start with episode 1. DJI wasn't the first egg drone maker in China. Okay, let's go back about 15 years ago. Farmers in China were facing real challenges, especially from weather. They were trying to figure out how drones could help with spraying. But at that time, there were no proper agriculture drones available, so people built their own. They bought parts, bolted things together, and made whatever they could work. The reality? Accidents happened. And in farming, one mistake isn't small. It can cost you the whole season. That's the kind of the environment DJI stepped into. And they took a different approach seriously. They said, an agriculture drone isn't just something that sprays. It has to perform at a level you would expect from real tractor equipment. Otherwise, it's just a fly machine. And honestly, I really respect the level of responsibility DJI has brought into the farming industry. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.